Before we begin, I have a challenge for you. Somewhere in Petra is a hidden Nabataean carving that most visitors never notice. See if you can spot it before I reveal it later. Now, walk with me. You are entering the Seek, the only natural gateway into Petra. Towering sandstone cliffs surround you, and every step carries you deeper into one of history's greatest hidden cities. The canyon grows narrower, ancient water channels appear beside the path, reminding you that every drop of water once meant survival here. The light ahead grows brighter, but Petra still keeps its greatest secret hidden. The Seek feels even narrower now. In some places, the towering cliffs rise nearly 80 meters above you, leaving only a ribbon of sky overhead. Every step reveals another masterpiece of Nabataean engineering. Water channels carved by hand more than 2,000 years ago still follow the canyon walls. Imagine camel caravans carrying silk, spices, and incense through this very passage, making Petra one of the richest trading cities in the ancient world. The canyon bends one final time, and a warm, golden light begins to spill through the narrow opening ahead. Something extraordinary is waiting just beyond. After hundreds of silent steps, you've reached the end of the Seek. Then, it appears. Al-Khazna, the Treasury. Carved directly into a towering sandstone cliff more than 2,000 years ago, it still leaves travelers speechless today. Take a moment, don't rush. Imagine seeing this for the very first time with no photographs, no maps, only the stories carried across the desert. Looking at this incredible monument, do you think it was built to inspire wonder or to display the wealth and power of the Nabataeans? Tell me what you think in the comments. The Treasury is only the beginning. Beyond it lies an entire city carved into the mountains. Walk through Petra's streets and you'll discover royal tombs, temples, homes, and a massive theater carved directly into the rock. More than 30,000 people once called this place home. Around you, merchants bargain over spices and silk, while camel caravans arrive from distant kingdoms. Petra wasn't hidden from the world, it connected the world. But every great city has its final chapter, and Petra's story was about to change forever. Time slowly changed at Petra. Powerful earthquakes damaged its magnificent buildings, and the ancient trade routes that once made this city wealthy began to disappear. The bustling streets gradually fell silent. Do you remember the hidden Nabataean carving I asked you to find? It was the carved water channel running along the Seek. Most visitors admire the Treasury, but walk straight past the engineering that made life here possible. Even after centuries, Petra continues to reveal new secrets with every archaeological discovery. Its story is far from over. You've completed today's journey through time. I'm adding your name to the VH Tours expedition log. Tell me where you're watching from, and where should we travel through history next?